it's your boy Jay Cruz, AUDIOZONE the Audio Cat, man. I always want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support. I'm in the car again, but I'm giving you guys a different vlog today, man. We're going to be working on the body in white for Demonology's build for Motor Trends magazine. It's a privilege and honor to be part and a participant of this build. I'm on my way to Jackfabperformance. That's where the car is located right now. I'm going to start doing this wide body, y'all. So I'm actually on my way to the shop right now to be able to move the camera for y'all, but I'm on my way to the shop right now to go get this knocked out for them so they can have this car by this deadline. It's definitely a big sacrifice. It's, you know, time for my family and time for my personal relaxation after a hard day at work. So it's after hours for me. It's like 7:30 in the afternoon, and I am on my way to an hour and change away from my store to be able to come and get this knocked out. But you know what? Herman's a great dude. Demonology's a great dude. Friend of mine for a while now. I've met him and he's just been always A1 with me. So, you know, support back where support is due and loyalty where loyalty is due. I'm on my way to get this done, yeah. So I should be there to shop in a few, and when I get there, we're gonna go look at the project we have in hand and what we have to do to get this done and knock it out as fast as possible to have this car ready for Demonology at this event he's gonna be going to. So stay tuned if we get this rolling, y'all. I'll be back with you on a few. All right, cool. We just made it here to Jackfabperformance, man. We're actually here. Demonology right there in the building, man. You see cars everywhere. You see my boy Jack Fab right there in the building. Look at him doing some wiring. This is what this man do here, man. Demonology, what's going on today, sir?
Man, you hold the world.
No,
it's you.
We're here to roll today. Papa, how you doing today, man? Doing good. Getting ready to start knocking on the project, man, and start doing what we have to do. So I'll be back with you on a few. Cruise, so we're here at Jackfab. This is all the products that we have to work on the install. I'm gonna start unboxing all this stuff to figure out exactly what I got to deal with. I believe it's an OEM replacement kit from Dodge. So we definitely have a lot of work to do and not too much time. So we're really in a crunch, man. That's why I'm out here today doing what we gotta do. But I'm gonna start getting these things open, see what I need to get this build done for Demonology to get this car ready for this event. It's really crunch time, y'all. So on this video, I might just show y'all clips because I really don't have a lot of time to play around. But we're gonna be doing what we have to do to get this done as soon as possible, man. Say hi to Jordan. Jordan, say hi to the camera. You know what I'm saying, man, you know what I'm saying? But long story short, I'm gonna start unboxing and I'll get to y'all when I get to the car with the parts I need to start getting the wide body build. No, it's a big piece. Anyway, y'all, this is what we're going on. We got everything unboxed, so now I know exactly what I'm working with. This is directly from the Direct Connect from Dodge, which is an OEM platform that you can actually upgrade your cars with OEM parts from Dodge. Demonology partner with them, so this is what they sent them. So now we're gonna start getting this rolling, start putting this car together for him, and hopefully accomplish a lot today, because I think I'm gonna have maybe 2 or 3 days worth of work on this build, but I should be able to get it knocked out pretty shortly. So stay tuned if we keep on rolling here. All right, Cruise, so at this point in time, I just installed the fenders on the body in white for him. All the fenders are in there. We still got to do the tightening, but we have the adjustments over. We can move this around and get it adjusted. But the location of the fender is in position. The other one on the passenger side is also in position. So I got this done. Now I'm gonna start applying flares and start getting this as fast as possible, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm really grinding. I'm sorry I can't bring y'all a detailed video on this one, but I'm doing what I have to do to get this all situated. Y'all stay tuned. All right, Cruise, so on this side here, we got the fender on already. We got the wide body OEM flare on there already. That's already done. Now we're starting over here. We already got the mounting. We're about to start installing the fender flare here to get this lined up, y'all, so stay tuned. All right, Cruise, so back on the build from the Demonology with the fender flares in the front already on, as y'all can tell. We're now working the back, so we got the template that we're using. This is actually gonna give us a schematic of what we need to do. But now we have to cut out this piece of metal here. We also need to get all these holes cut in, which can allow the fenders to have the flare put on the vehicle. So right now we're at this point in the car. We're gonna be doing all these cutting and all this modifying on this car to get this all situated for the build of Demonology, man, so stay tuned. Cruise crew, this is 6 days into the job. I'm playing, y'all, but we've been here for multiple hours. Four scores and 7 years ago.
Man, this man has been here 30 minutes and look what he done did.
You know,
he done put front bumpers on, cut back bumpers on.
This is telling you right now that
30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Puerto Rican minutes, bro, but look. We got the front done, the back. I know that y'all looking at this cut and it's weird, but I saw in the template, that's the way that the Dodge designed it. But we're just gonna follow their instructions for them, but this is where it's at right now. We got this side done. I'm gonna come back and get the other side done, put the rest of the car together. So the next trip that I have here, because I gotta go home. It's a late night, the wifeys and kids, and I gotta wake up in the morning and stuff like that. But the next trip I have here, I should have this car wrapped up for Demonology. and get him ready to go do what he does best, man, to go get this car out there and do what he has to do, y'all. So this video, I'm gonna thank y'all for watching, thank y'all for the support. Stay tuned for part 2 so you can see the continuation of the body in white. What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, taking on the AUDIOZONE back, the second day on the body in white. Today I bought reinforcement. I got my son Isaac with me. I got my guy Josh with me today. We're gonna be working on the body in white. We're actually getting this lined up to get it situated. But right now, it's just hell and high waters that we're getting it done. So I got these brackets that were missing yesterday, picked them up from the dealership. I got all this done. We're gonna be knocking this out today to get this car situated for them. We're getting the bumper installed. As you can see, Josh is beginning to work on that. Getting this bumper locked in for the car, and they can start getting this car together to get this closed up, man. So this is pretty much where we're at right now, doing what we have to do, man. So day 2 on the body in white. Let's stay focused and get this done as soon as possible so we can get this knocked out, go home to our family, man. We got my boy here, man. It's been a great help, great dude. Can't even explain it to y'all, man, but y'all might be seeing more of him soon. But anyway, we're gonna get to this here, man. So let us get busy. Stay tuned. Sir, you need authorization to be recording, sir. Oh wait, the car is the authorization. Might be too metal. Oh, there's your hair, boy. Damn, I see the other side. I know why Isaac's so fast. These are predictive glasses. They predict the light before it happens. Now we know why he got it. It cuts better than yesterday's, but
yeah, it cuts better than our aerosol half the time.
the aerosol we were dealing with yesterday took us about an hour to do that cut.
That's those Gordo blades.
Did you get a pair of pliers, Poppy?
Yeah.
There's 2 pieces of metal, that's what you're dealing with. And one's farther and it kind of bounces the brake back. That gives it.
Some point is always come on.
right now on the body and white from Demonology. Flares are installed. We just finished doing all the cutting free. I think actually I can show you here because they're still working on this one. But we'll have to do all these cuts inside here to be able to get the panels in there, the holes, all this is situated. Josh is doing all the connections for the finale to get the bad boy together. There's still this panel missing, but we can't do much on that today just because of everything that's going on with the car. But as of right now, Josh is gonna finish wrapping up the back, and this will be a finale run. Mr. Demonology, you mind if I get you for 2.5 Puerto Rican seconds?
Yeah, that's like 10 normal minutes.
Demonology, this has been a journey, we could say.
Hey man, it's been a blessing to have you part of
Nah,
this
bro,
show.
Papi, it's always my blessing to be with you.
I couldn't have done this without AUDIOZONE.
Man, you know what?
I mean, this is something that you do. You do body panels. You know, you got the best looking wide body out of anything. You got what factory should have done. And I tell people that all the time. They don't understand it, but it is just beautiful. When I look at it, it makes this look like stuck on plastic. Don't get me wrong. I like this. I love it. I love it. But part next to your car,
you know, when I did my car,
it looks like a production car.
Let me give you more of the backstory. When I did my car, I was excited when they first released the first Widebody kit.
Yeah.
I went and bought one.
Right.
And we played with it and we followed the instructions that they gave us, and it absolutely sucked. It was double-sided tape and all this mess. It sucked. And we went through the motion of trying to figure out a way to get it because it was my personal car. Once we found the secret sauce of how we can get it done, it was on YouTube, and it just grew into a whole nother venture of business. Then one day we went to shop and we're like, you know what, let's give it even another touch. And we did the molded, and you know what, it actually did kill it. I agree with you, man. Completely that we did it, and it was a good thing. And you know, we're gonna get to more one of your one day. Not the Demon, because that's an original car. Maybe the body and white we might get to play with her, man. But you know, got to get to this scenario. Been a late night. We're working our butts off to get this done. Herman has a mission, and you know what? He's a man on a mission, and he's gonna get it done. And if you know him personally, he's very determined. He takes his job serious. In fact, now that you're here, some people came up to me in the pack and say, "Man, I don't know about Demonology, his ways." You know what I'm saying? I can listen, bro. You don't understand. I said, when Herman is on the track, he is focused on one thing and one thing only. Because remember, to be a professional, you have to block out everything. Don't take them the wrong way. You can cut them out the wrong time.
But you know, you get in your routine.
You're into your zone, you know what I'm saying? And it's kind of the same thing with my team. When they're in their zone, they're doing their thing. I just let them do what they do. But in my opinion, Herman is a hell of a dude. I've known him for, I don't know, maybe 3, 4, 5 years. I couldn't even tell you. In fact, the day I actually interacted with him was a video we dropped where you helped me get my air pressure right, the AUDIOZONE that day at the track and Extreme and so on. And that was the first time I got to actually talk to him on that level. And you know what? It's been a blessing, man. The dude is very knowledgeable about what he does. He's true to the game. You know what I'm saying? He's true Mopar. I mean, y'all see everything that's going on here, man. But it's a privilege on my behalf to know you.
Hey.
And I'm gonna tell you what's more of a privilege. I actually have his cell phone number, y'all. So to me, that's a privilege. Don't call it an ass because I ain't gonna release it.
When this dude dial me, I get happy. You know, it's all about team, guys. And if you don't have true friends and a true team, you ain't got nothing. You out there by yourself. As soon as I went to this panel, I knew I had to get this on. AUDIOZONE.
You know what?
Like, Jeff, I got you.
You can give out my government name, man.
Hey, man, I can't give out your government name. Hey, he told me, he said, I know you in a bind. He said, either bring the car to me or I'll come to the car. You just tell me what bind. I said, I'm gonna try to get the car to you. He called me, you in a bind. I said, I'm in a bind. He said, no problem, I'll be there. As soon as he got off of work, boom, he came first day, knocked half of it out by himself. The next day he said, bring it.
Oh, I wasn't doing it by myself the second day, because I would tell y'all the first venture was tough. I brought 2 of the team members, man, and you know what? Shout out to Josh and Isaac for this late night. You know what I'm saying? Doing what they got to do. And this is what it is. It's a team. You know what I'm saying? And you really have to understand. You got to build with the people next to you. Loyalty is very important. Having the right people around you is very important. And again, on my behalf, it's privilege. I really wish you the best in this race out there. You know what I'm saying? And no matter win or lose, it doesn't matter. He's still my dude. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna end this video today, man. Telling you always, thank you guys for the watch. Thank you guys for the support, man. Y'all be good and God bless.